Hi, my name is Jeannie Hahn. I'm a registered nurse in San Francisco, and I would like to introduce a new surgical face mask that's clear. And the importance of this mask is instead of this doctor or nurse in the mask, you can see the face. You can see the importance of communication and the mouth and the lips and a reassuring smile. But for the deaf and for the elderly, you can read lips. And for a scared child, you can actually connect with your caregiver or family.
Hi, I'm Kimberly Cockrum, and I do facial plastics, which includes reconstruction of the eyes and the face. And I work with kids, and I work with people who've had trauma, so they have post-traumatic stress disorder. And I love this mask because I'm able to communicate better with my patients. This mask allows me to talk to patients in the OR, allows me to talk to patients as they're waking up, and the kids just love it. You can see I can smile, I can talk with the patient, I can look at them, and if they have the mask on too, it's fun. We can play games. So I think this clear vision mask is awesome. It improves communication, and improved communication means better outcomes and better patient satisfaction.
And everybody in the operating room, in the operating theater, had a mask, my mask on. So the doctor was communicating with the patient before she went to sleep. And then within the operating room, they were communicating with one another. And then they were teaching an amphitheater full of people. And the teaching, it was fantastic to see the doctor
is a global epidemic. From the big headlines we hear about to the personal stories we don't, millions of people feel its effects every day. We are Cool Mask, and we have a solution. This is Hexa, the best clean air supply mask ever created. With 2 customized fans and a control dial to adjust airflow, Hexa can power up to 150 liters of clean air per minute, 20 times the amount you consume while resting. This increased clean air supply alleviates pressure from your lungs and helps you breathe better. So whether you're walking, cycling, or on the road, Hexa keeps you safe and breathing easy. Hexa's replaceable, proprietary filter provides triple layer protection against exhaust smoke, allergens, bacteria, and viruses. Hexa can block lethal particles smaller than 2.5 microns, commonly known as PM 2.5. When people wear Hexa, we want them to feel free. The face seal and clean airflow combine to create positive pressure, preventing any leaks and blocking out bad air. All this is powered by a separate mobile power bank, keeping Hexa flexible and safe. Engineered for superior airflow, unmatched protection, and total comfort, Hexa is your bridge to clean air.
Particulates in the atmosphere.
We cannot continue to breathe polluted air.
Toxic air shortens our lives by
We've been
20
dealing
months.
with some horrible air quality, from unhealthy to very unhealthy.
Then you look at what air pollution is doing.
Compounds from like air pollution.
7 million reality is that London's air is so dirty.
You're gonna probably die young.
It's akin to smoking a pack of cigarettes per day.
Did you know that breathing in polluted air has the same health impacts as smoking? Climate scientists at Berkeley Earth have shown the amount of cigarettes you smoke depends on where you live. Exposure to air pollution doesn't just increase the likelihood of lung cancer and stroke, it significantly reduces IQ, damages your skin, increases anxiety, and has negative impacts on fitness levels. And once it enters your bloodstream, it's there to stay. My name is Isaac, and I grew up in Sydney, Australia, with my brother Elias and lifelong friend Jack. When we went on a trip together to China, we suffered from the detrimental effects of air pollution firsthand. That's why we've created an award-winning mask, which doesn't compromise on style or functionality. With machine washable skins, changeable botanical filters, magic fit ear loops, memory nose foam, form-fitting design, and 2 of the world's thinnest valves made from marine-grade 316 stainless steel. We've taken care to craft a mask which exceeds in every detail. So now, when we are planning a trip together to Los Angeles, we have a mask which is breathable, comfortable, and stylish. We've made a mask that you can wear every day, when commuting to work, riding a bike, or going for a run. Wear it with glasses or with makeup. It's a mask which stops you from spreading a nasty cough or catching someone else's. Our filters are made of electrostatic cotton, melt-blown microfiber, and active carbon, blocking over 97% of particulate matter, 2.5 microns and even smaller. Exceeding Australian respiratory protection standards, our filters last up to 4 weeks. But we didn't just want to make another mask, we wanted to create an experience. Instead of treating our filters with harsh, antibacterial chemicals, our O2 Plus filters infuse natural botanicals sourced from Australian farms, offering subtle scents and unique benefits. From the lavender fields of Tasmania to the eucalyptus trees of New South Wales, our filters can help relax, decongest or stimulate your body. And of course, we have blank filters available as well. The simple click and switch design allows you to swap and replace filters depending on your needs. We think protecting yourself from air pollution should be simple. That's why we spent over 2 years working with the University of Sydney, creating countless prototypes and designs. There's a reason why we've won so many awards. That's because we have listened to everything you've had to say. It's a mask designed by you to suit all your needs. We've already finished prototypes, begun tooling and are excited to bring our project to life. Our manufacturers are ready to go, and now we want to partner with you to make this a reality.
Safe, comfortable, 80% less filter material, and local production. WS Mask, the open source protective mask. Step 1. Get your personal hardcover, either from 3D printing or from injection molding with 2 separate holders. Step 2. Add some sealing material on the inside. Now, this material is available on the market, and you can use any foam or neoprene material. Seal it and make it as comfortable as possible. Step 3. Fix the elastic band. Use, for example, elastic bands from your disposal mask, or use any other elastic band, and now the mask is ready to wear. Step 4. Last but not least, the filter. Use the best filter available. This solution requires only a fraction of material. Up to 5 filters can be produced from a disposal mask. Clamp the filter, fix it with an elastic band, and the mask is ready. The mask can be put on easily. The WS mask gives you optimal protection. You don't have any wet material on your face. The mask is comfortable to wear and can be easily cleaned. Use this mask to protect you and the people around you. This system is produced locally, either on a 3D printer or by injection molding. The solution is open source. Contact us by email if you need a mask or want to produce. We will provide all the information. This is a solution from Verter Solutions in Switzerland. Thank you, and use the hashtag WSMask.
I know somebody who actually went online yesterday to look for face masks, and they're sold out pretty much everywhere. And then he saw a place where you could get 5 disposable 3M face masks for $149. There is a scarcity, and the prices are unaffordable.
There's a desperation in their voice when they call in.
Today, we must share something with the world. We are Quality Life, a team formed by friends interested in the creation and innovation of products to improve quality of life of individuals and societies.
Due to the current global shortage of face masks, and inspired by a scientific article from Cambridge University about the effectiveness of household materials for DIY face masks, the team got together to do their bit. And so an easy-to-assemble face mask design kit for everyone was born.
Through this bet, we have come up with the idea of creating an easy-assemble face mask, affordable to everyone and everywhere.
Our kit includes 3 plastic pieces and an over-ear elastic that can be assembled together with any household material, such as tea towels, cotton fabric, or vacuum cleaner bags. Moreover, the kit includes a template to cut any material in the correct shape.
This product is designed for easy access to everyone and everywhere.
To avoid a critical environmental moment because it can be reused in the future. Be made from any material.
to allow people to make their own face masks from common household materials.
Today, with only $3, you can help us with the massive production of our face mask molds and give easy access around the world to everyone. After the molds are created, each Everybody Easy face mask will cost less than $1, being available to more people in the world and could be massified for different world governments. Be part of this innovative project
that allows more people to access a face mask.
Thanks to this project, we're going to give the file of the design for free, so that all those who have a 3D printer in the world can give away or sell this product at a low price for the benefit of people.